In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Asana. Dark mode is great for reducing eye strain, especially if you work in low light environments or spend long hours organizing projects. It shifts the interface to a darker palette while keeping everything you use in Asana exactly where you expect it. Start by opening Asana and logging into your account. You can do this in a web browser, the desktop app, or on mobile. The process is very similar across platforms. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization so your settings apply where you work most. Next, look for your profile picture or account menu. On the web, you'll typically find it in the upper right corner. If you haven't added a photo, you might see your initials in a small circle instead. Click that icon to open your account options. From the menu that appears, choose My Settings or Settings Preferences. This takes you to the place where you can adjust how Asana looks and behaves for your account. Once you're in Settings, find the section labeled Display, Theme, or Appearance. Different versions may use slightly different wording, but it will be the area that controls the look and feel of the interface. Inside the appearance options, select dark mode or the dark theme. In some versions, you might see choices like light, dark, or system default. For this tutorial, pick dark to force the interface into the dark theme right away, regardless of your device's settings. This should immediately switch the background, panels, and text colors to a darker scheme that's easier on the eyes. Now save your changes if a Save or Done button is visible. In many cases, Asana applies the theme automatically as soon as you select it, but if you see a confirmation button, go ahead and click it to lock in the setting. Take a moment to confirm the change. Your main background should now be dark, the sidebar and top bar should be darker tones, and text should appear in lighter colors for contrast. Navigate through a project or two, open a task, and glance at your inbox to make sure everything is readable and comfortable. If the interface doesn't update right away, a quick refresh usually does the trick. That's it. Dark mode is on. If you ever want to switch back, return to the same appearance settings and choose light or your preferred option. Enjoy a more comfortable Asana experience, especially during long sessions or late night work.